The JEE Advanced, which is the gateway to the IITs and one of the most coveted exam for all the IIT aspirants, this year students of Delhi performed exceedingly well and clocked one of the highest qualifiers in the country. Today among us we have 4 toppers who have prepared with FIITJEE Punjabi Bagh Center. Today we will have a short talk with all of them and we will unveil the secret behind their such a great achievement. So first of all, to my left is Animesh Bhora, who has secured a All India rank of 19 and has secured 94% marks in CBSE 12th board. Next to Animesh is Ritesh Goenka, who had secured an All India rank of 23. He is also the Haryana state second topper and had secured 94.4% marks in CBSE 12th board. To my right is Ishan. He has secured an All India rank of 38 and had secured 96.6% marks in CBSE 12th board. Next to Ishan is Sahil Dhul, who had secured an All India rank of 230 and had secured 97.4% marks in CBSE 12th board. So all of you, welcome to the show. We will have a short talk which will help our future JEE aspirants to know the secrets which you have obtained to achieve this such a great success. So let's start with Animesh. Animesh, how many months of hard work you paid off for achieving such a great success?
I was preparing with FIITJEE for 4 years from class 9th.
Okay. Ritesh, how much?
I've been with FIITJEE for the last 3 years. So
Okay,
that is
so it's a long time you have been preparing.
36 months.
Okay. So Sahil, will you please tell me that it is a result of only hard work or intelligence or both?
Actually, hard work and intelligence, both are equally important for gaining such success in JEE, and I contribute them equal, because without hard work you cannot prepare for the exam, and without intelligence you can't tackle questions in 3 hours time which you have there.
Okay, Shan, will you agree with the
Yes, I
Sahil's
completely
view?
agree with Sahil that hard work and intelligence both are required to clear any competitive
Okay,
exam.
so both are required, hard work also and intelligence. So guys, how do you feel when you first know about your JEE Advanced result and you came to know that Animesh being that you are a Delhi state topper? How do you feel like that? And first, how you reacted?
I was quite overjoyed, and first of all I was quite relieved that 4 years of hard work has finally paid off.
Okay, so you were expecting to be the Delhi state topper?
No, I was not expecting the Delhi state topper, but yes, I was expecting a top 100 rank, and 19th rank came as a surprise.
Okay, it came as a surprise. Okay, Ritesh, being a Haryana second state topper, how do you feel when you came to know that?
I felt awesome on the day of result actually.
Okay.
I was expecting a rank under 100 after giving the exam, but yeah, 23 was definitely very good.
Okay, and Sahil, how you reacted when you see your result?
It was nice. I was expecting around 300, but it came 230. So
Okay, so you were satisfied and happy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, Ishan, was this your first biggest achievement which you have secured such a good rank in JEE Advanced? So you have any other big achievements also earlier?
I mean, getting such a good rank in IIT is quite a big achievement for my career, but I have had cleared many other competitive exams like KVPY, NTSC and other Olympiads also like INPHO, Physics Olympiad and Astronomy Olympiad.
Okay, Animesh, your any other bigger achievement other than this?
I qualified NTSC in class 8. Then I went till stage 3 of Junior Science Olympiad in class 10th.
Okay.
And I cleared KVPY in class 11th, and Chemistry, Physics and Astronomy Olympiad first stage in class 12th, and second stage of Physics
So the
Olympiad
number of
also.
achievements which you have gained before this JEE Advanced. Okay, and what about you, Ritesh?
I also cleared NTSC in class 8.
Okay.
And I got an All India rank 10 in KVPY class 11.
Okay, nice.
I also cleared Regional Mathematical Olympiad and its second stage as well.
Okay, so you have number of achievements.
Yeah.
And what about you, Sahil?
I also cleared NTSC in class 8th
Okay.
and then cleared KVPY with AIR 46 in class 11th,
Okay.
and then cleared Physics Olympiad and Astronomy Olympiad first stage in class 12th.
Okay. So guys, what do you think? Exposure to competitive exams at such an early stage helped you? Ishan, what are your views?
Yeah, competitive exams helped us a lot as they gave us a national standing.
Okay.
And if we cleared the exam and with a good rank, so it helped us boost the
Boost your
confidence.
confidence.
Yeah.
Okay. And Sahil, what you think?
Confidence was a matter
Okay.
I think they gave us, and other than that, atmosphere was also main thing which we
Okay.
learned from these exams. As the
Okay.
atmosphere is nearly the same which we
Same.
get in the JEE exam.
Okay, so they helped you a lot.
Yeah.
Ritesh?
I also think so that they majorly acted as confidence boosters during my preparation.
Okay.
And it was also like setting benchmarks before going to the final step,
Final
that is JEE.
steps. Okay. Animesh, what
Yeah,
you
I also agree with them. And one more thing is that you get to respect a paper that even if it is difficult for all of the students.
Okay.
And so you can get your national standing in any kind of paper.
Okay, so they helped you a lot. So fantastic. So guys, how many hours do you put in for your studies on daily basis if I ask you about? So Ritesh, will you please tell me?
Actually, it was a bit of my concern about the study hours.
Okay.
So I studied around 3 to 4 hours a day before the JEE mains exam.
Including holidays?
Yeah,
Sir.
including holidays.
Okay.
So after JEE mains exam, yeah, I got it to 6 hours a day.
Okay. And you Animesh? How many hours you put in?
I put in around 8 hours. I never measured the hours, but it would be around average 8 hours.
Okay, average daily?
On holidays.
On holidays?
Daily it would be 4 to 5 hours or something.
4 to 5 hours. Okay, after going from the coaching institute you paid
From
such
school. After
school.
going from
Okay, you I mean 3 to 4 hours you have. And you about Ishan?
On daily basis, I went to school, so I usually got about 4 hours daily to study to prepare for IIT-JEE. But on holidays, I would study 8 hours. 8
Okay,
to
on
9
holidays
hours.
8 hours and daily basis 4 hours. And
Yeah,
same.
nearly
Same. Okay. So guys, how do you think that how much revision is important? I think majority of our JEE aspirants want to know that how much revision is important for you and how much time you give for revision. Can you give tips for the JEE aspirants regarding the revision? How can they do the revision? So Animesh, will you please tell us?
I consider revision as the most important phase of the preparation because
Okay.
it is that time like when you prepare for suppose 2 years, 3 years, there would be certain topics in which you are weak, and when you are doing the revision, you can rectify those topics.
Okay.
So,
So were there any weak subjects which you faced during your study?
I
you-
thought that chemistry was my most inconsistent subject.
Okay, so
I was
how?
not very consistent. I would score high or score low, I cannot say.
Okay, so and
anything.
how do you overcome that?
I used to practice chemistry a lot in the last few months.
Okay, you practice a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about Ritesh? You?
I faced difficulty in physics.
Okay.
So means I was doing some extra books for physics.
Okay.
That's all.
That's all. And Ishan, what about you? Physics,
feel-
chemistry, or
No,
any
I
other
feel-
weeks?
I feel problem in chemistry only,
Okay.
and I put in more effort and did more revision of my notes, which
Okay,
I
so
made in
you
the classes
practice
and-
more to overcome
yeah.
that fear. And Sahil, what about?
Chemistry was also one of my
So
weakest
chemistry
topics,
was one of the
weakest
most.
subjects. Yeah,
Okay.
and I revised my notes again and again so that more things could get into my mind.
Okay.
Like if you say inorganic chemistry is there,
Okay.
there you have to catch up a lot of things. So
Okay.
there is a lot of problems.
So by practicing, you overcome the fear.
by
or
revision and
we-
practice, regular revision. and-
regular revision
yeah.
and practice. So all of you, by regular revision and practice, you overcome that.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, will you please tell me that how important are the All India mock test and how frequently you appear in the mocks? Ritesh, will you please tell us?
Actually, All India mocks were conducted, I think so, monthly.
Okay.
So I think so they were quite important. We got to know our ranks on a national basis. So
Okay.
getting a good rank was like we got motivation to study for the next
Okay. So how
phase.
frequently you appeared for the mocks?
Monthly basis. Actually.
Okay, monthly.
All India.
All India mock
Yeah,
test you appeared.
and on this like in Fitji Punjabi Bagh Center, it was like weekly or 2 week.
Okay. So how they helped you in your enhancing your performance?
Actually, it is like they provide us exam-like environment. The final day, like we will not be nervous on the final day.
Okay, so
That's the biggest thing that I feel. So like the final day should also be exactly like the mocks that we have appeared till then.
Okay. Animesh, what is your view upon
I
regarding?
agree with Ritesh. Basically, they provide you with the examination temperament that is required. So you do not get nervous on the examination day.
Okay.
And appearing in tests is a very important thing, and I feel that no one should miss any test conducted at coaching or school or anywhere, because tests help you get your national standing or whatever center standing or whatever. and they provide with the necessary examination temperament.
Okay. So Ishan, are you agree with the regarding the views your All India mock test?
Yeah, and I would like to add that they also help us manage time. I mean, learn how
Okay.
to time management. Learn time management.
How can they, how they help you in time management? I think Sahil is also agree with the point.
Yeah, time management actually, we tried to do the All India mock test in like 2.5 hours rather than 3 hours, so that
Okay.
after even having some difficult questions, we would be able to tackle those questions in 3 hours in the final exam.
Okay.
So time management, we learned it from All
And
India
how
mock
frequently you appeared in the mocks?
test. Yeah,
in this?
weekly, and All India, regarding All India, I appeared in them monthly, and in FITGI Punjabi Bagh, we
Okay.
appeared weekly.
Weekly in Punjab Ac
Yeah.
Center, you appeared weekly in the
Yeah.
mock. So they helped you a lot in
Lot.
it. Okay, guys. So I think that you are juggling between the school going, school homework, and all these things, exam preparation, all these things. How do you manage your time? I think most of the students want to know this. That how you manage your time with school going and then preparing for the exams and that all pressure you have facing. So Ishan, will you please tell us?
I think we should divide our day into. I mean, divide our day. Like I spent 1 or 2 hours daily on chemistry and
Okay.
do some questions in math, and
Okay.
then study anything else like
Okay.
what I have thought for that
Okay.
day.
So you were able to manage your
Yeah.
time. Do you find any difficulty in?
Yeah, I went to regular school and I was not in dummy, so that was quite a problem because I had to go to school 5 days a week.
And Animesh, how do you manage the time, school going and preparing your exams?
Basically, if you are preparing for competitive exams, the school studies go on side by side,
Okay.
because competitive exams only take the
They have
school
a higher-
studies to a
yeah.
higher level.
Hmm.
So I just had to revise those things before the school exams.
Okay. And Ritesh, what's your view regarding this? How do you manage your time?
Means I went to school like 6 hours a day.
Huh.
Then after
Then-
that, I used to study each subject for 1 hour PCM.
Okay, 1
So
hour.
that
Okay.
makes up 3 hours. So that's fine. You can find 3 hours except the school. And for the other days, there was mostly coaching classes.
Okay.
That's
And Sahil, what's your view regarding?
Yeah,
How do you manage your time?
On holidays, obviously, I gave like 2 hours to maths practice,
Okay.
half hour to maths revision,
Okay.
and chemistry whole time to revision.
Okay.
And on school days, I gave 1.5 hour to each
Okay.
subject. Like,
Okay. So guys, how do you unwind your stress? I think during preparing your JEE Advanced exam, you were facing a lot of stress and sometimes lot of pressure. So what are the activities you do to unwind your stress? Animesh.
I like to play mobile games.
Okay, you played mobile games.
Yeah, I played mobile games and listened to some songs.
Okay, listening songs you can able to unwind your stress. And Ritesh?
I played table tennis,
Okay.
and except for that, I listened to some music.
Okay. And Sahil?
music was also one of main thing, and I did, except that I did badminton, played it, and
Okay.
tennis.
So did you guys watch movies, or I think most of our students want to know that were you also busy in Facebook and WhatsApp? Do they don't deviate from your achieving your this success? What is your views, Ishan?
I was, I'm on Facebook and WhatsApp. I use them, but
So you
I was not addicted to.
Okay.
I kept
So
it
what
in control.
tips you can give to us JEE Advanced that how can you manage your time with study and avoiding this Facebook and WhatsApp?
I mean, you should study the time you're studying. You should study continuously and without any break. And I
Okay.
mean, you should take break after every 1 hour, 2 hours for half an hour.
Okay.
Half an hour break is required. That is very important. But I would say that while you're studying, you should not deviate from the.
Okay.
You should not be distracted.
Ritesh, you were also in. Do you watch movies during your preparation or busy on Facebook and what?
Actually, I don't like watching movies too much.
Okay.
Yeah, but I was on WhatsApp and Facebook. So, like, WhatsApp also helped me to like get some doubts cleared from my teachers.
Okay.
So, and otherwise also I use WhatsApp. But yeah, I was not addicted.
Okay, you were not you were able to manage
Yeah,
the
yeah.
cope between. Okay. And Sahil, what about you?
I was not on Facebook, but I was on WhatsApp,
Okay.
and we had a group, so we discussed there regarding any difficulties or any test
Okay.
questions.
So
which
you take it in a positive way by
Yeah.
discussing the questions.
and with our teachers regarding the problems we face in the
Okay.
tests and to
And
recover them.
Animesh?
Yeah, same. I have an account on Facebook, but I was not active on it. And I used WhatsApp to discuss doubts with friends and.
So you all use them in a
teachers.
social media in a positive way. Okay. So you also don't watch movies and all?
Yeah, I like watching movies, but I didn't watch movies in the last 2 years or so.
Okay. So guys, would you like to thank someone who plays a very important role in achieving your success? I think there's one person or two person whom you want to thank in your way, so you can.
I would
Ishan.
like to thank my parents. First of all, I would like to thank God and then my parents.
Okay, for helping you to
continue
achieving their
forward.
success. And
God.
God, you want to thank God,
God
for
and parents, and obviously my friends also. who
Okay, friends.
We had a group, and that was, I think, the best idea.
helped you a lot
Yeah,
in achieving.
lot.
Okay.
I also want to thank God, my parents, my family, and friends.
Okay.
They also played a very crucial part while
In-
preparing, because like it is like more of teamwork.
Yeah.
Like during the preparation.
Friends, discussing with the friends
Yeah.
helped you a lot.
Yeah.
Half of our doubts are cleared by our friends only.
Friends only. Okay. And Animesh?
God, parents, and faculty members.
Okay, faculty members. We want to also thank the faculty members. Okay, nice. So guys, what tips you want to give to the IITJ, mainly the 2017 students who are appearing for? One by one, you can give your tips. Animesh, can we start with you?
Whenever you should study, it should not be like you're using Facebook or whatever. You should study with full concentration.
Okay, so this tip. Ritesh?
I agree with him first of all, and except that I would say that we should study with strong planning. Actually, we
Okay.
should first plan our study hours. Like I have to put in this much hours on this topic, because
Okay.
like if there's some weak topic, you should stress more on it, and if your strong topic, you should just practice it a bit.
Okay.
So yeah, that's all.
That's all. And Sahil, what you want to give the tip to the...
Planning is obviously the most important part, I think.
Okay.
I plan daily what to do today, and weekly and monthly also. That
Okay.
this month I have to complete this much syllabus.
Okay.
So that I will be able to cope with other syllabus in next month. Planning was, I think.
Planning was one of the most
Yes.
important. And Ishan, what tip you want to give?
I would like to say that you need to maintain discipline. That is, you need to be regular in studies. Like ये नहीं कि आज आधा घंटा पढ़ लिया और कल
अच्छा,
10
मतलब आप
घंटे
बोलते
पढ़
कि
लिया.
regular रहना है अपनी
You need
studies.
to be regular and
और कुछ
study.
टिप आप प्रिपरेशन टिप कुछ IITJ एस्पिरेंट्स को दे सकते हैं ताकि वो भी अच्छा कुछ
I think
अचीव.
so. Revision is also very important.
Okay.
Like, there were rounds of revision. Like when I completed my syllabus of class 12, I started revising class 11 again.
Okay.
And so like 3 or 4 rounds of revision before JEE. That was quite important. And at the end, mock tests in the last 45 days. That is, I think so, one of the most important part.
Okay. So guys, what are your future goals? What are think about your career? What you have to do after now achieving such a good result? Now, what are your career goals, Ishan?
I always wanted to be. I want to do MBA and then
You want
do
to do
business,
MBA
yeah.
and then business.
yeah.
Okay. And Sahil,
I
You
want to do IS.
you want to be IAS. Okay. And
I
Ritesh?
want to do research in mathematics and computer science.
Okay, research in mathematics and okay, nice. Animesh.
I have not yet thought of any possible career, but yeah, I want to do something related with computer science.
Okay, you want to do something related with
Computer
okay.
science.
So guys, thank you for sharing your experience and becoming a part of our talk show. Wishing you a great and a happy success.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We had a very excellent interactions with the JEE Toppers 2016 who had been with the FITGI Punjabi Bagh Center in long year classroom program. They will now pursue their dreams in the IITs and we wish all the best for the future IIT JEE aspirants and hope they will continue this legacy.